welcome to my channel. Today I have done another abstract on abstract, pulling along the line of Impressionist paintings, specifically Henri Matisse and some of the flowers that he does with line art. So I took that into a still life of a vase of flowers. The pour piece of it involved Saran Wrap smushing. I don't know what else to call it, like I did in my previous I think two videos ago. It involves balloon smashes. It involves palette knife swipes. It does involve silicone because I wanted a lot of cells, but it sounds like a lot, but it wasn't when it actually, the product looks very cohesive. I hope you see some of the reflection of the Impressionist way of Henri Matisse, specifically his way of representing flower vases. So I will let you watch the video. Hopefully you enjoy it. Do comment and tell me, give me ideas on what to try. Give me feedback on what you liked or didn't like. But I do hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. A gold base, right? And then on it, I'm going to make a still life of flowers with these colors, right? Goal is to use the Saran Wrap and some balloons to do the smash in the center. So my composition is going to be like this, right? So I want 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. so this painting is dry, and now I'm going to do the vase. I did scrape off the shape of the vase when it was wet because I just wanted to remember my vision. I'm just going to do a swipe of two colors, a gray, it's a metallic gray because I want to just maximize the cells, and then the blue, and I have white as my swipe color, and I am going to add some silicone oil to the white. So let me add maybe 3 drops. Another feature I wanted to incorporate in the painting was a classic technique, painting style for Matisse, which was the lines were not all the same thickness. He had varying thickness of the brushes, some fine, some thick. And since I had used a pen to do the flowers, an acrylic paint pen, I went back with a brush to make certain strokes thicker. Very loose, very, went with the flow. And I think it makes a huge difference in lending authenticity to this painting.